done that homework? And how many members have you got the out of marks to your dear children? Tell me, how many members have you got the out of marks, dear children? Very good, Akshay. What about other children? Sai Sarup, how many marks did you get? Yatish? 9, okay. Neeraj, 9. 100 marks you got, Sai Sarup. Sai Sarup, you got 100 marks. Okay, Hemant. Yatish? Yatish, how many? 9. Okay, Sai Sarup. Akshay, 9. Yatish, 9. Neeraj, 9. Sai Sarup, 100 marks he got. Okay. You have got 100 marks, dear. Okay, 10 out of 10 means it's 100 marks only, no? Okay, who is that? You, I don't know. Okay. Okay, well done, dear children. Keep it up. Now, yesterday means in the previous class, we have completed the comparison. Comparison is also completed now. And how do you have to frame the largest and the smallest number? I think here you got confused, I think so. So here when they are given 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 means from this number which is the smallest number, 0 only have started it, think. But we don't have to take it as 0 at the first. Okay, this is 0 if it comes in the given digits, then you have to take it as in the second. Okay. Okay, dear children, if they are given in this number, this digit 0, if they are given in the Charvik, how many marks did you get? See here, if they are given some of the digits to you and you want to find out the smallest and the largest numbers means, then we should have to give this 0 if it comes. Actually, this is the smallest digit in the given digits, but we should not have to take it as the first. We have to keep it in the second. Like, so here 0 smaller than, so 0 greater than 1. So 1 after we have to keep. In the second only, in the second place, we have to keep it the. Very good, Charvik. Very good. Well done. Okay, now dear children, the predecessor and the successor is also we have completed, and today we can go to the rounding of numbers. What is that? Rounding of numbers. Already now listen, dear children. So how do you have to find out the nearest tens and hundreds? So for example here, now for example 34 is there. Okay, you want to find out the nearest 10. So in this 34 we have two digits, no? One is tens and one is ones. So if they have given 34 number, then they will ask you, you have to find out the nearest 10 of this given number. So then when you are finding the nearest 10, you have to check the ones place. What do you have to check? Ones place. If in the ones place, if it is less than 5, if it is less than 5, we have to take that nearest 10 only we have to take. 34 is there, no? Then here the 4 is less than 5, no? So that we have to take the, what is the nearest 10 of 34 is 30 only come. Why means in the ones place here the digit it has given 4 is less than 5. So that we have to take this nearest 10 is 10 of 30 only it will come. For example, if they are given 78, if they are given, then they will ask you, what is the nearest tens of this given number? Means here, when you are finding the nearest tens, you have to check the Ones place. In the ones place, what they have given 78 means 8. 8 is greater than 5 only, no? So we have to take the next tens. 70 after which next which number which tens it will come? 80. What is the nearest tens of 78 is 80. Okay, dear children, have you understood? Have you understood, Charvik, Sujan? Sujan, Yatish, Neeraj, Shrikar. Are you understanding what I am saying to you? So listen, dear children, when you are finding the nearest tens, you have to check the ones place. In the ones place, if the digit is smaller than 5, smaller than means less than 5, then we have to take the nearest tens is that tens only it will come. What is the tens it has given in that number? 34, 30. So we have to take here 30 only it will come. If it is in the ones place, if the digit is greater than 5. So for example here 38 has given. What is the nearest tens of this 38 here? In the ones place, what they have given? More than, greater than 5. So you have to take nearest tens is, which tens it will come? Very good, Sai Swarup. Next tens is 40. 40 it will come. Okay, dear children, very good, Akshay. So I hope that everyone have you understood. Now once again we can go to the next one more example on that. So what is the nearest tens of 26,724? What is the nearest tens? 26,724. What is the nearest tens here? Tell me. No. 24. Very good, Sai Swarup. Because here when we are finding the nearest tens, we have to check the ones place. What do you have to check? Ones place. If in the ones place is smaller than 5, smaller than, less than 5, then we have to take here that tens only it will come. If in the ones place it is greater than 5, then we have to take here next tens. 20 after which tens it will come? 30. Okay. So 26,724. What is the nearest tens of this given number means? 26,720. Okay. Now tell me one more. 97,256. What is the nearest tens here? 97,256. What is the nearest tens, dear children? Very good. Because here at the ones place, what they have given? 6. 6 is greater than 5, no? So we have to take the next tens. What is the next tens? 50 after 60. Okay? Like in this way. 97,260. Okay? Have you cleared, dear children? Now next. Now, in this way only, when you are finding the nearest hundreds also, when you are finding the nearest hundreds of the given number, you have to check the tens place, not the ones place here. You have to check the tens place and change it in the hundreds. Change it in the hundreds. They have said it to you, nearest hundreds you have to find out. So that tens, hundreds before what it will come? Tens only, no? You have to check the tens. If in the tens place, if it is less than 5, you have to take same that hundreds only. If in the tens place, if it is greater than 5, 50, then we have to take the next hundreds. So for example, 85,345. So which hundreds they have given here? 300. And what is the tens here? 40. 40 is less than 50 only, no? So we have to take same that hundreds only. What is the answer? 85,300. Very good, Sai Saru. Now one more example here. 78,498. So what is the nearest hundreds of this? So when we are checking to the tens here, 98 is greater than, no, it's wrong answer. See here, what is the tens place? 4. What is the hundreds place? 4. What is the tens place here? 98. So 90 is less than, greater than 50. So that we have to take next 100, means 78,500 you have to take. Okay, dear children. 500 it will come, Sai Sarup, because they have given 498. So 498 means in the tens place they have given 90s, means 90 is greater than 50, no? So we have to take here next hundreds. Okay, now like in this way only in thousands also. When you are finding the nearest thousands, you have to check the hundreds place. Okay, first step is you have to check what is the thousands place here. After then, at the right side, what is the digit has given here? 3. 3 is less than 5. So it becomes here 0 only. Okay. So what answer will you get? 34,000. So 34,000 only it will come here, because in the hundreds place they have given 300. No, 300 is less than 500. So that we have to take here 4,000 only it will come. Now, for example, if they are given in the hundreds place 80, 70, 60, 769, 869 means it comes here next to thousands. Okay, 75,000 it will come. Okay. Now, shall we check some of the examples, dear children? Now, you have to find out the nearest tens of this given number, 26,571. Tell me. What is the nearest tens? 26,570. What is the nearest tens here? 26,000. You are checking the tens, dear, not hundreds. You don't have to change into the hundreds. You have to change into the tens. Which answer will you get here? Tens means you have to check the ones place and changes into the ones tens place. Tell me. No, dear children. No, dear. Means you didn't understand properly, no, Sai Sarup? So when you are finding the tens, nearest tens, you have to check 70 before. 71's place you have to check. In the ones place, if it is less than 5, it comes 70 only. No, dear. No, Sri Sharan, it's wrong answer. Listen, everybody. First of all, everybody listen. So here, for example, 26,571 is there, no? So in this number here, if it is, you are finding the nearest tens. So you have to check into the ones place. Tens before which place it will come? Ones place. In the ones place, if it is less than 5, we have to take same that tens only. If the digit is greater than 5, you have to take the next tens. So here 1 is less than 5. So we have to take 26,570 only it will come. If in the ones place, if it has given 7, 8, 9 like that, 78, 79, we have to take here 580. Okay. Understood? Now have you cleared, dear children? Have you cleared now? No, Srikar. No, it's wrong answer. Question, please, you have to note down. Then after then I will tell you the steps. Okay. Now 26,571 is there. The question what they have given, you have to find out the nearest tens. Tens means you have to underline the tens first of all. 7, no, you have to change this into the tens place, okay, not in the ones place, not in the hundreds place. So when you are changing into the tens place, you have to check the ones place. In the ones place, if it is greater than 5, then we have to take the next tens. If it is less than 5, we have to take same nearest tens of that tens is same, that tens only it will come, because in the ones place, if it will come 0. Okay, have you understood? Now tell me, what is the nearest tens of 24,589? No, Sai Swaroop, 570, not 20 there. 70 has given, 71. Okay, what is the nearest tens of 24,589? Tell me. What is the nearest tens of this given number? 24,589. Very good. Who is that Oppo A3? No, Sai Swaroop, you don't have to change into the hundreds place. You have to change here in change into the tens place. Okay. Akshay, have you cleared? Did you understand what I said? Now, what is the answer for that? 24,589. Very good, Neeraj. 24,590 will come. Why it has came here 90? We have to change here into the tens place. So when we are changing into the tens, nearest tens we are finding, you have to check the ones place. In the ones place, if it is greater than 5, we have to take the next tens. If it is less than 5, we have to take same that tens itself. Okay. Now next, one more number. 5,35,783. Note down. 5,35,783. What is the nearest tens here? 5,35,783. Very good, Sai Swaroop, because here in the ones place they have given 3. 3 is less than 5. So we have to take same that ones, that tens only. Very good, Mokshit. What about other children? What minus? Okay, Neeraj, very good. Very good, Sharan. Charvik. Charvik, have you cleared? Now next number, 1,45,785. 1,45,785. Very good. Very good, Sai Swaroop and her. Everyone, have you understood? No? Now you have to find out the nearest hundreds. Now you have to find out the nearest hundreds. Now 13,478. 13,478. What is the nearest hundreds here? 13,478. Very good, Yatish. Superb. Because we have to change into the hundreds place. So when you are changing the hundreds place, we have to check the tens place. In the tens place, what they have given? 78. It is greater than 50. So we have to take next 100. That is 800. Means 500. Okay. Now 13,478. What is that? 13,800. How it will come, Akshay? Next 100. What is that? 400. After which hundreds it will come? 500. No. 13,500 it will come. Okay. Now what is the nearest hundreds of 25,595? Okay, good. 25,595. Very good. Okay. No, it's wrong answer. 595 has given. Check it. 595. 600. Very good, Akshay. So in the tens place, greater than 90 is okay. Good. Now next, can you tell me 18,566? 18,566. Very good, Sahasra. 18,506. No, Sai Swaroop. Very good. 600 is the correct answer. You have to change here in the hundreds place. 18,600. Okay. Now one more number I only will give to you. Then you have to find out 46,325. Okay. 46,325. 46,325. 320. You are changing the hundreds, please, dear. Hundreds. 46,325. 46,300. No, Mokshi. First of all, write down the number. 46,325. Very good. It's the correct answer. 46,300 only it will come. Because in 300. Because here in the tens place, what they have given? 25. 25 is less than 50, no? So we have to take same that hundreds only. Okay, very good. Now one more. You have to find out the nearest 1,000. Focus on that. Everyone should be careful. Nearest 1,000. 23,678. 23,678. What is the nearest 1,000? 23,000. Very good, Yatish. Superb. Very good. Well done. Well done. No, Sai Swaroop. 600, how it will come, dear? 24,000 only it will come. Because we have to change this into the thousands place. Now, what is the next? 10,945. 10,945. Then if they know someone has sent 300, it's wrong answer. 23,300. Very good, Yatish. Superb. Because here in the hundreds place, no, 10,000, it will not come, Sai Swaroop. You have to change into the thousands place. 0 changes into the, when you add 1 in the thousands place, what it will come? 11,000. What it will come? 11,000. Okay. Now next, 28,196. 11,000. Okay. 28,196. Very good, Yatish. Because they have given hundreds. 100 is less than 500. So we have to take same that 1,000 only. 28,000. Okay. Okay, dear children, have you understood? When you are finding the nearest 1,000, you have to change this into the thousands place. When you are finding the hundreds, what size, Swaroop? You didn't understand? Okay, Akshay. Okay, Sahasra. Listen. Okay, Sahasra. 28,196 means here Here 100 is less than 500, no? So we have to keep same that 1000 only, 28,000 only it will come. If in the hundreds place, if it is greater than 500, then we have to take next 1000. Okay? Okay, dear children. Sai Sarup, did you understand? Okay, good. Okay, dear children. Now our time is also up, dear children. Once again, you have to practice these 3 Romans. I will give you the homework for you, and you should have to complete it, this task, dear children. What I'm sending to you, and reminding other children. So everyone, have you done? Have you completed your self-assessment test, dear children? Tejashri, have you done the how many marks do you get? Amrutavalli, have you done self-assessment test? Amrutavalli, Amruta, how many marks do you get? Mokshit, how many marks? How many answers you have done correct? You have did 9. Where is the mistake? Which problem? Okay. Okay, dear children, I will send you the homework to you. Then you don't have to confuse and do it correctly. After then I will send you the key also later. Thank you, dear children, for attending the class. And today's topic, everybody, have you understood? No, that is nearest tens and nearest hundreds and nearest thousands. Have you learned now? I hope that everyone have you understood. Yes or no? Okay, thank you, dear children, for attending the class. Bye. See you, dear children.